What is up, guys? Today I have another project which is a file AI. It is a website to convert text prompts into fully formatted files. Like I'm talking clean, beautiful. So you can give it a text prompt and it will convert it into a beautiful PDF formatted Excel sheet, with visuals like bar graphs, charts, etc. So the code is open sourced. If you want to check it out, you can come to this link. You can also contribute to the code, use it, edit it, whatever you want to do. You're free to do it. Do like and subscribe if you think this is cool and want to see other cool projects like this. So let me give you a demo, a tour of the website. This is our homepage. A pretty cool homepage, if you can figure it out. There's light mode and a dark mode. I prefer dark. We'll be using that for the tour. So now of course we'll register. This wouldn't really have an register and enter details. Fast forward. Now we're in the dashboard. Here we can use, there are two modes, PDF mode and Excel mode. So in PDF mode we can enter a prompt, and PDF. So not now testing, so it wouldn't really actually use the backend, it wouldn't actually use OpenAI. If you want, you can mention the key and it would use it. But right now this is example data, example content and an example PDF, example Excel file. So let's generate the data. I have this data. Now using this, now if you want, we can edit it, make minor changes, and then using this we can generate a PDF. We're generating the PDF. Now we can download the PDF. The PDF, example one. Now let's try Excel mode. So this should create a random Excel sheet. Generate. Now we can download our Excel file. This is a random generated Excel sheet. So yeah. Now this also is right now accounts and we can log out. Home page. Thank you for staying with me and watching my project. Now some of the very important use cases for this are, we can make reports, documents, spreadsheets, visualizations and PDFs. This even entire research papers can be made using this. We can copy paste an entire blog and turn it into a very finely formatted Excel report, and it just works like magic. So if you liked it, do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you. I'll meet again. Bye bye.